Hello, I'm Janice Nichols, and this is Haughty Pilates. If you are looking for a full body workout with amazing results, you've come to the right place. You can experience my unique and proven exercise method in my studio or in the privacy of your own home. With over 20 years of fitness experience, I developed a comprehensive workout program that is based on Pilates techniques combined with everyday functional movements, sport athletic movements, and basic weightlifting movements. In my studio, I utilize top-of-the-line Pilates equipment, hand weights, weighted bars, and medicine balls. Each of my Haughty Pilates workouts, whether on equipment or on the floor, is a unique and systematic routine of movements designed to work the 5 important areas of the body: arms, legs, back, shoulders, and glutes. If you are willing to perform a Haughty Pilates workout 4 to 5 times a week for at least an hour each time, you will see remarkable results in a short amount of time. You will improve your posture, your strength, balance, and flexibility. Your muscles will become more visible and a longer, leaner body will be revealed. If you are in the Austin area, sign up online for a consultation and come see us. If you are not in the area and you are looking for a convenient way to work out at home or while you travel, go to our Workouts on Demand page. This online video library includes a wide range of Haughty Pilates floor workouts that can be accessed using your computer 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Each video workout is approximately 12 to 15 minutes long and is designed to be repeated or combined with other videos to give you a full total body workout. Begin today and you will see a change tomorrow.